Video editing versus graphic design. Let's compare the two. Let's see which one you should start with. Let's see which one pays more. Let's just compare the two and see where that gets us to. I started as a graphic designer back in 2020, and along the line I started learning video editing, and I've had over 3 years of experience in video editing and 5 years of graphic design experience, and this is what I have to say. Now let's start with this. Who earns more between a graphic designer and a video editor? Well, in my experience, a video editor earns more. And see, I can explain. Let me give you reasons. Let me give you evidence. I can brand an entire event. Like, I've done some events branding, and event branding as a graphic designer involves a lot. It involves doing the main flyer, it involves doing the countdown flyer, it involves doing a lot of designs. There are even in-conference designs, and this entire branding, there are some that I did not charge up to 100,000 naira. But one video, I have done videos, not just one, but there was a particular video that I did that was not even up to 20 minutes. That video was just a little over 5 minutes, if I remember very well. And I was paid 200k for that video comfortably, without any much shouts, without any much. So I don't know, but see, video editing gives me more money. It's why if you notice, I really pay more attention to that. If you go on Fiverr, if you go on Upwork and you check, compare, you'd see that video editors actually make more money. There are many opportunities in video editing. You can edit short form content, you can edit long YouTube videos for people. The channels can hire you to be their editor, brands can hire you to edit, you can edit a wedding, you can edit event. These are the opportunities in video editing. Let's also talk about the opportunities in graphic design. Graphic design is not just flyers. You can do flyers, you can do logos, you can brand events, you can do product design, you can do UI UX design, you can do product label designs. Yeah, basically I think these are the major opportunities in graphic design. I feel like there's one I'm missing. What are the other opportunities in graphic design? My fellow designers, you can go ahead and drop it in the comments. Another thing is that I found out that graphic design is a bit easier than video editing. Don't come for me. This is just my personal opinion. This is purely my personal opinion. I found out that I easily do design. Like, a design can take me lesser time to do than a video. Videos can be really frustrating and bulky. Like, I can do a design in say 3 hours, but a video, especially if it's a long form video, you're adding sound, you're adding overlays, you're adding effects, you're adding subtitles, you're adding captions. My god, it is a whole lot. When it comes to which one is easier, video editing or graphic design, without thinking much about it, I would really say that graphic design is easier. Now, being easier to do is different from being easier to learn. So which one is easier to learn, video editing or graphic design? Okay, this one is a tough one. I think video editing is actually easier to learn than graphic design. When it comes to graphic design, a lot of things are involved in learning graphic design, and that is why I tell people that if you learn how to do graphic design before video editing, you will do better than somebody who just learned ordinary video editing. Yes, when you're learning graphic design, you learn things like emphasis, you learn things like alignments, like contrasts, hierarchy, and all of that. Now in video editing, these same principles would help you. Yes, when you're doing color grading, when you're adding elements on your screen, balance. So me, who started learning graphic design before I learned video editing, I found out that I do better than some persons who just jumped into video editing. But if you're entirely new to two of them, you would actually find it easier to learn video editing than graphic design. If you're planning to learn the two, I would advise that you learn graphic design first before coming over to video editing. But if you have no plans to learn the two and you're asking which one is easier to learn, actually video editing is easier to learn. You've watched up to this point and you're not yet subscribed. I have one question for you, just one question. Why? Please go ahead and subscribe. Let's get back into the video. Between graphic design and video editing, which one is easier to find clients for? Okay, this one is also tricky and hard, and I really think that there's no definite answer to this one. It is quite relative. Like, it really depends on you, and it depends on who you're targeting. There is always a market for two of them. But I think graphic design is an easier market to penetrate. Not that it's easier to find clients for it, but it is an easier market to penetrate than video editing. Video editing, most brands, they don't do videos consistently per se. but they do graphics, they have need for designs consistently. But even at that, the world is moving towards videos more and more. Videos are becoming like the king of marketing. It's hard for you to say sponsored post these days that is not a video. Most ads is videos. So you see that video editors, they are becoming increasingly relevant and increasingly needed. So yeah, I think it's depends, it's relative. The market for video editing is not yet quite as large as that of design. I might be wrong. Remember, I said this is my personal opinion, but from what I've noticed, the answer is quite relative. Now, when it comes to which one would be relevant in the years to come, graphic design has always been relevant, and I think it will always remain relevant. But video editing is still coming up, and the relevance and the demand for video editing will continue to keep rising as long as we keep tilting towards content about video editing. Which of the industries is more saturated and which one is less saturated? I don't think I really need to even think about this one much. Graphic design is very, very saturated, especially now. Now, I'm not saying that you will not find clients if you start doing graphic design. I'm just saying that there are a lot of graphic designers. There are more designers than there are video editors. Because like I said before, video editing is harder to do than graphic design. It's usually easier to do design than to do videos. So there are more designers and less video editors. So the market for video editors is less saturated. We are few, we are not that many. That's why the pay is high. I think that's one of the reasons why the pay is high. Another reason why the pay might be high is because it is hard to do. And the second reason is because it is less saturated. And the more the demand keeps rising, I think the more it will pay, the higher it will pay. So yeah, team graphic design or team video editing, which one are you? Or are you like me, team both of them? Thank you for watching through to this point. My name is Onyedika Israel, and yeah, make sure that you are subscribed and leave a comment, leave a like. Which other topic should we talk about next? What tutorial should I create next? I would really like to hear from you. I would really like for us to talk in the comments. So let's gist. If you want to learn graphic design, video editing tutorials, graphic design tutorials, this is the channel. I have a lot of them. Just visit my channel page or check the description. I'll link a number of relevant videos in the description.